Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Trello due dates with calendar exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Trello due dates using calendar exports, start by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board that contains the cards with due dates you want to backup. Click on the Show menu option on the right side of your screen. In the menu, select Power UPS. Search for the calendar power-up and enable it if it's not already activated. Once the calendar power-up is active, return to your board. You will now see a calendar option in the board menu. Click on Calendar to view your cards with due dates on the calendar view. In the calendar view, you can visually confirm that all due dates are displayed correctly. Next, look for the Export option, usually found in the calendar settings. Select the format you wish to export. Typically an iCalendar format is recommended. Once you select the desired format, the export file will be generated. Download the export file to your computer. Now, open your calendar application of choice, like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. In your calendar app, locate the option to import a calendar. Choose to import from a file and select the exported file you downloaded. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. After the import completes, check your calendar to verify that all due dates are accurately displayed. You have now successfully backed up your Trello due dates through calendar exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.